I reading class 8 that senior athlete. Let's tell you same type of atom combined together is called molecule. For example, H2O2 and 2CN2. Type of molecule. There are four types of molecule: monatomic molecule, diatomic molecule, triatomic molecule, and polyatomic molecule. Monatomic molecule, type of molecule which is made up of one type of molecule is called one type of atom is called monatomic molecule. For example, H2, Ar, and U. Diatomic molecule, type of molecule which is made up of two type of molecule with two type of atom is called diatomic molecule. For example,
Okay, what is polyatomic molecule?
polyatomic molecule, type of molecule which is made up of many type of molecule is called many type of atom is called polyatomic molecule.